Hey guys, Daryl here from Show TV. Just going to do a quick unboxing video for you of our Swift+Mix Ice Cream Maker to show you what you get inside the box when you receive it. So, pretty cool box actually. I'm quite proud of this. Our team designed this in-house. Okay, first thing you get in the top there is the manual. So obviously that shows you the best use of the machine, how to use it, and gives you all the recipes in there as well. So you've got banana ice cream, raspberry frozen yogurt, chocolate mint ice cream, strawberry ice cream, lemon sorbet, and custard vanilla ice cream to get you going. And there are videos on our website to show you how to make those too. Now you've got your paddle there, which stirs all the ice cream or sorbet out. And then I'll just pull this one out. There we go. So in this bit you've got your main unit. So this is the power pack. Okay, so this bit plugs into the wall there. So you just pull that off and plug it in. And that comes out. So this is the power unit, and then this is sort of the frame that sits on top, and you put all the liquid in there. And then you've got the freezer bowl itself. So that's the bit that goes in the freezer. Now you want to give it a rinse off and dry it off with a towel before you use it when you first pull it out of the box. But basically that bit goes in the freezer. This bit clicks in like so. You put the paddle in. That goes in there. And then you'll see little recesses on it that sort of, that clicks in place, and that's it, job done. There you go. So plug that in, turn it on, away you go, and then you just put your mix in the side there. That's basically it. Really simple, great little product, so easy to use, and the end results are great. So yeah, grab yourself one, and thanks for watching.